Let's see if I can do this. Got it? Oh. There's like suction with the go for it. Get it, girl. We're making a mess.
That's okay. Oh my gosh. That thing's like giving birth to another box.
What the fuck? What is the point in that? You could just ship this box by itself. Well, package good, guys. One by that. Golly.
Well, it says that the grinder was in here. The weight was 108, but the weight was actually only 80 something. And there's no grinder in here. So.
But anyways, we actually had a small little coffee grinder around the house. So she's packing her first coffee shot right now.
I feel like it's almost at that line. I feel like it should be at that line though, right?
Mm-hmm. We should probably weigh it.
Oh, I don't have a scale because that didn't come either.
Huh.
That's okay.
I'll let you see the first shot once we get it brewing. Okay, she's gonna pull her first shot. Pull it up. And our timer's going. Oh. Well, that don't look right.
No, I don't.
Close it. And the first one was a fail. Let's try again.
I can't get it out.
3, 4, 5. It's supposed to take like 5 to 7 seconds to start coming through. So I might have overdone it.